How does a different type of mint affect your mojito taste, and which one is the best? Mojito is one of the most popular and best drinks in the world, so we tried a strange one and not so great canned versions.
Oh no, that's bad. That doesn't taste anything like mojito.
Almost all of them are made with the most common spearmint, but my local garden center is like a mint jungle. They have every mint flavor that exists. I picked 7 different types of mint, so let's see which one can take your mojito to the next level. There are like 69 ways to make a mojito. I will use the most popular one, I think. Each drink will have about 10 mint leaves without stems, a little more if they are too small. I know it's common to use granulated or demerara sugar, but raw sugar doesn't dissolve well in the cold liquid and it tastes so weird in the mouth. We will use ½ ounce of simple syrup since it perfectly mixes into the drink. Oh, and mint is gently pressed with a muddler to release flavor. Instead of muddling fresh lime, I squeeze juice in advance and I'm pouring about 3/4 ounce. 2 ounces of white rum. I'm using Bacardi because it's, all ingredients are stirred together with crushed ice. I said before that nugget ice is better, but I forgot to make it, so some club soda on top and garnish with a sprig of fresh mint. A properly balanced mojito has a very refreshing taste and it's the best cocktail to drink during the summertime. Spearmint has a slightly sweet and light flavor. It's a perfect choice for those who prefer a milder taste, not like peppermint. It's a hybrid between watermint and spearmint. It looks similar, but it has more intense and sharp menthol flavor compared to spearmint. It is almost spicy. You can also do a little less if it's too strong, but if you want to add a kick to your mojito, peppermint is the way to go. Next up we've got chocolate mint. It has a dark green color. It's a hybrid of spearmint and peppermint. Mojito doesn't taste like liquid mint chocolate, but I think it's the most unusual twist you can make without adding any extra ingredients. But the best mint to use in a mojito is typically considered to be the mojito mint, also known as Cuban mint. Compared to spearmint, mojito mint has a stronger and more complex flavor. It makes mojito more flavorful. I also think its large leaves make it the best looking one. This fuzzy one is exotic pineapple mint. Well, unfortunately, it's not what I expected. It's not straightforward like chocolate. This mint only hints of pineapple flavor, which is only noticeable after you read the label. Yeah, I don't think it will give your mojito a proper tropical twist. And the same with other exotic versions. Strawberry, apple and orange have barely noticeable fruity and citrusy notes, and they have less mint flavor compared to other varieties that we tasted. Maybe it's more noticeable in cooking, but I don't think they give a unique flavor profile to your mojito. The top 2 mints are mojito and chocolate. They add rich and unique flavor. If you want to know more about flavored mojitos and learn how to make it home pro and expert version, watch this video. So enjoy!